So welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I am super glad to see you on my channel. So today's video is about Pinterest inspired wall hanging. It has a pretty flowers, beautiful laces, and yes, nevertheless, purple color in it. I have never worked with a purple color before, but I worked with that in this project and I truly enjoyed it. And I just want to let you know that I used everything from the dollar store. You just need a right selection of laces, flowers and leaves, and you can make your wall hanging just like the way you see on the Pinterest. So let's start making it. So I saw this metal sign with the home in Dollarama. This was for $4 and it was perfect for the hanging that I wanted to make. And to make a flare, I had these versatile laces. Two of them were transparent and shiny, while other two were crochet, but with different patterns. And one was printed flower on a normal cloth. Apart from that, I got flowers and leaves. The combination I maintained throughout the purchase was beige and purple. Beige and violet. So I started by removing existing floral attachments on the ring and measuring the diameters of the ring. So from that I could figure out the laces should be 1.75 or 2 times longer than the diameter. To add texture, I had this rope which I wanted to add to have a little rustic look, not like boho, and I stayed in a beige color. I just put 3 of them at equal distance from each other on the ring. And then I started to place laces. I did not plan for it. I simply was giving it a try to different colors and different patterns, and I placed them the way I liked. And once they were set, I stick the big ones with the hot glue and small ones with the knots. So the laces I used were 2 crochet, 2 silk, 2 shimmer kind of transparent, and 1 was the printed, and 1 was the rope. For the ring, I had these flowers and leaves. I got leaves in the fall colors and I thought they might go well with the purple rather than green. So I got the fall colors, and basically I started to separate them from the stem so I can put them in the smaller bunches on the ring. And to have a clear look, I used metal wire to tie them on the ring, and when that was done, I added a bunch of flowers in between. To have a sharp and organized look, I made sure that I'm keeping leaves and flowers turning outwards of the ring, not the inwards. And to be on a safer side, I added the hot glue on some leaves so they don't fall off or they don't turn inwards. And lastly, I added purple color silk lace to give bottom a little more life than the beige color. And yes, important part, don't forget to burn the edges of your laces to secure them from untangling after you cut them off. So yes, this is how I made it. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please do not forget to engage with my channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. That helps me to create my YouTube community. And once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video.